so as you guys would have seen, we're converting my FT Spear into a balsa wood version of it. I'm going to give you a bit of a rundown as to what I'm running on my FT Spear at the moment, just so you have an idea of what we're working with. I will in future have a look at things like weight and power to weight ratio and thrust angles and all sorts of things like that. And we're also going to be looking at increasing its efficiency further by changing the battery type, and having a look at a number of other ways in which we can lighten it, maybe putting solar panels on at some point to see how far we can get efficiency wise with the Flite. But if we're going to have a look at the aircraft itself, so it is your standard procedure FT Spear. I'm running a 1300 kV electric motor with a 8x6 prop on it, and this is a 35 amp ESC. Inside we are running my digital receiver and some HiTech Maxima 6, and running into two possibility to batteries in parallel. On the front I have a Volkano knockoff GoPro and a Cadex wide angle lens FPV lens. Behind that we're running a Rush Tank FPV VTX, and that is working into my video receiver through a Pagoda 2 by Emax. So yeah, we're going to be putting all of this kit onto the balsa wood version, but let's get the actual build done first. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, there's been a bit of progress made. You would have seen in the time lapses and the couple of snapshots that the basic shape from the FT Spear wing is now put into place. You'll notice that I worked off this piece of cardboard. I just bought a piece of cardboard, got hold of it and shaped it to the right size, and it's exactly molded off of that piece by piece using strips of wood. We're going to carry on getting a bit more involved with trying to increase the strength of the structure here. As you can still see, it's a little bit on the flimsy side, but we're going to strengthen that up quickly with a little bit more CA glue and start to add in the spars, which are exactly the same type of spars that they use in the foam board model. So let's get going. Okay guys, the plan here is to take these two sheets of 5mm balsa and break them down such that we have each of these pieces, the right center and the left hand side spar, sorry for the terrible videography, and recreate them piece by piece. So we're going to, where you would normally fold along these indicated marks here, we're going to actually create the pieces separately and then glue them together at right angles, which will just create it's just a bit simpler as you can't fold 5mm balsa. If you guys would like to see more about this lightweight Balsa FT spear, please leave a like, please subscribe if you enjoyed it, and you'll find in the links in the description below links on how to build the original FT spear, as well as links to all information about all my kit. Lekker, have a good one. Ciao.